Hello, Dr. Stillman here, and I'm excited to share with you my HTMA Secrets course that I put together with my good friend Clark Engelbert. We created this course because of the amount of sheer confusion we saw out there on the internet about what HTMA is, what it means, and how to interpret it. The reality is that the vast majority of people, including many experts, don't understand the transformational results that you can achieve for patients and clients using this test. We unpack all of the details and all of the secrets in this course, which is why it's such a tremendous opportunity to learn how to help people, no matter what your background is. On top of the course, we've got a course plus coaching program. In that program, you get an hour-long live call with Clark and I every week for 12 weeks in order to go over yours and other participants in the course hair tests. We also have a hair tissue mineral analysis mastermind where you'll be able to get on the call with other hair tissue mineral analysis practitioners who understand this test and are looking for guidance on how to help their clients and patients even more than they already are. We'll also talk about things like how to build your business, how to talk to and work with clients and patients, and more. It's a tremendous value. I hope to see you in one of our programs soon.